Today I'm going to teach you how to plant tulips. If your ground isn't frozen, it's not too late. You could pick up a bag or a box at your local garden center. They come in many shapes, colors, and sizes, and they're super easy to plant. They epitomize spring, and I'm going to show you how to do it in a few easy steps. You could plant tulips in a pot or you could put them in the ground. I've chosen this site at the base of a tree. I've enriched the soil with worm castings, compost, and bone meal. This will just help feed the tulips over winter. I ordered these tulips from a seed company I trust, but you can pick them up at a local garden center. These range in height from 14 inches to 48 inches, and together they'll make a beautiful display. The tulip bulb may or may not have roots attached. Whether it does or not, you always want to plant the pointy side up and the flat side down. Spacing instructions will appear on the label, but as a best practice, tulips should be planted 6 inches deep and 4 inches apart. Tulips will multiply underground, so you want to make sure you're giving them enough space. I prefer to lay all of mine out before putting them in the soil. I like to create a display based on color and height. However, you can just dig out the whole area, place your bulbs according to spacing, and then top them with soil. I prefer the approach of digging individual holes, so if you're going to follow that approach, just make sure you're working in an order. I work right to left, and then I just basically backfill the prior hole with the new hole that I'm digging. This just ensures that I'm not covering up the tulips and losing them in the soil, and I'm not damaging any of the tulip bulbs when I start digging. Whether you plant these in the ground or in a pot, just make sure the soil is loose and debris free. That's the best chance your bulbs have to develop roots and grow into strong, healthy tulips. Once all your tulips are planted, I highly recommend covering them with some type of a barrier that you can lift in spring, because if you have squirrels in your area, they will dig up your soil and eat all of your tulip bulbs. Water these in well and continue doing that until the ground freezes. Resume in spring. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and follow for more garden tips.